Lá na formosa Dracena, 6 léguas do Paranazão, uma firma nasceu pequena.
Everything began with a small workshop for fixing carts in the 50s. Our story is related to progress of opening roads and growth of cities and companies, from animal-drawn carts to the leading edge in livestock equipment. With the growth of the farming activity already in the 60s and 70s, Coimma followed the vision of its founder, targeting the huge hidden potential of Brazilian agriculture. Believing in the future, it started manufacturing scales and cattle crushers. 55 years later, in an area of 50,000 square meters with approximately 10,000 square meters of covered area, offering more than 4,000 direct and indirect jobs, Coimma is the national market leader in its segment, acknowledged by the market and winner of awards given by many different institutions. Recently, the company won for the 8th time the National Top of Mind Survey in cattle crushers and scales. Leadership not only on the market, but also in society. Since the beginning, the company has always acted with social responsibility and environmental concern. A large-scale consumer of wood, but ecologically correct, Coimma only uses timber from projects approved by IBAMA, the National Brazilian Environmental Institute, and is the owner of 2 timber processing plants, ensuring our supply of raw materials. In partnership with research institutes, national and international companies, the company supports some universities with constant investment in the research sector for preservation of standard of quality and new product development. In our line, we highlight scales that, in modern livestock management, have become an indispensable support tool in search for higher profitability. For instance, control of individual animal weight gain in feedlots and semi-feedlots, control of birth weight and weaning weight for calves, correct weight at breeding and artificial insemination in heifers and cows, application of medication doses according to the animal's exact weight, in selection and genetic improvement, for nutrition split tests. Cattle scales are low-cost and durable equipment requiring minimal maintenance since they have been produced with Coimma quality standards. Coimma is the leader in advanced technology in its electronic scales with a range of model options from the simplest to the most sophisticated, always preserving easy operation for our clients. In our cattle crushers, we offer a wide line of models fixed in concrete or as set up with electronic scale through beams, always an indispensable product in livestock handling. Electronic scales can be easily installed and removed in few minutes. Cattle crushers are carefully designed to contain and immobilize cattle with total safety for both operator and animal. Animal branding, blood samples, vaccination. It is all easier for the traditional teeth wheel lever method or the modern and efficient hydraulic system with pistons. Traditional castration or with the modern castration device. Insemination, medication. In short, every zootechnical or veterinarian procedure is carried out safely, quickly, and efficiently. Truck scales, mechanical and electronic. Scales for pigs, sheep, and goats. Atomizer chamber to facilitate the ongoing struggle against ectoparasites in cattle. And Coimma never stops. Now it's time for Immogado, the high-technology Coimma electronic cattle immobilizer, the ideal complement for cattle crushers. Applied on animals already held down, it is recommended to achieve total immobilization. Immogado operates through low-intensity electronic pulses that act on the animal's nervous system and are issued by a rectal probe. Safe, free of stress or side effects. Coimma, the quality that weighs exact. Coimma, towards the future without losing sight of past struggles. Joining tradition to innovation in livestock equipment. Sowing partners and harvesting friends.
Coimma, que trem bom, é o sucesso da produção.